Hi there. This video will be about this KOLON. Yeah, IKEA. You might want to rethink that name, at least for English persons, or even Romanian and maybe many other countries. Sorry, that's not a good product name. Anyway, so the product number 448811100. Might be thinking what this is. Basically a sheet of transparent, and as you can see it has a nice pattern on it, protection plastic for whatever you have, a rug or anything basically that you want to protect from the chairs that have wheels on them, or presumably, honestly, any other chair that you would want to protect something from it. In my case, in this work area, I have this, I think it's a PVC carpet. It's basically a piece of, it's not good for anything, but I bought it when I realized how bad it is. It was a bit too late, installed it, but where I'm using my work chair, yeah, I need to protect it with something. So this thing from IKEA seemed appropriate for the job, and we will see how it actually fares. This will be my work area, and I will have a chair somewhere in this, and having wheels, not legs on it, it will move about in here, and this will get damaged in no time. This again is a piece of beep. Hopefully this will protect it, so I don't need to replace it that soon. So let's open this up, and obviously I will tell you how this fares over time, but from how strong it is, it should fare quite well. So let me cut this open and put it in place. Made in Czech Republic. Hi to everybody from Czech Republic that's watching this video. It seems to have a shiny underside and the nice pattern on the other side. You can see it here. So presumably the shiny part is underneath and the other one is the top part. Let's get it in place. And the thickness of it, I think it's about 2 millimeters, which should be more than enough for the job. Yes, many people were complaining they would like a fully transparent one. For me it doesn't really matter, but I can understand where they are coming from. One that is completely transparent could be interesting for some people, but then again it could just show the scratches made by the chair on it more quickly. So yeah, maybe the material could be more transparent than it is, because it doesn't seem to be 100% transparent, but the pattern on it, I think it should be there. A fully shiny one would show scratches and look worse than the pattern, obviously. The pattern will not probably show any scratches anytime soon. As you can see, I was right. The pattern is the upside to this. That's done. And here it is in place. It's thin enough that you cannot trip over it. Honestly, even if you try, I don't think you can trip over this. And at least on what I have in here, the real way to see it's there is that it shines a bit more than the crap stuff around it. But yeah, it will make this place way more rugged than it was up until now, and I can use the chair without thinking that I need to replace this whole stupid thing that I installed. Anyway, don't get that PVC stuff. It's not worth it. At least what you can find in Romania, it's all bad. Even the more expensive one are really weak. Anyway, that's that. So hope this video helps anybody out there if they want to buy this thing, to understand what it actually is. Nice pattern to it, 2 millimeters thick. The material is really strong. I'm trying to bend it here and I can barely do it. It bends over long distances, don't get me wrong, but over a short distance you can basically not really bend it. So the chair should surf on top of it quite well, and you should be able to protect whatever floors you have underneath it. I think they are not ideal for cork floors and something else. IKEA shows on the website two types of floors that they are not ideal for, maybe because it keeps moisture underneath or something like that. Non issue for me, at least. And a good while later, I was so happy with the protection that the first one offers that I decided to buy a second one in here to protect this laminated stuff. It's not real wood, from the feet of this IKEA chair. Marcus, link it in the description. And I think I'm just going to put it a little bit under the feet of this desk. Again, it will be in the description, just to make sure it will never be able to move, because although I could always push it back in place or put something to glue it temporarily, I can just put it under the feet and it will never ever move. And it will be way less annoying for me and my OCD. Just realized, didn't the first one come with some kind of protection foil on it? Because this one didn't come with such a thing, and it does have some marks from shipping, as you can see. I don't really care, because it will anyway get scratched in here, but that's a bit weird. I need to check the video myself to see if the first one came with protection on it or not. So let's put this in place under the feet. And it's done. As you can see, it does change the color a little bit. It's not fully transparent. For me, does it matter? Absolutely not at all. And we are back to the original one. As you can see, this thing took a lot of abuse here in my work area. That's basically not finished yet, and it's mostly storage. And I have this chair on it. I didn't bring yet the chair with the wheels. So this is badly scratched, has paint on it, has whatnot. But this thing underneath is absolutely unaffected. And if I would put this chair and sit on it, this is that weak that it would get damaged instantly. So this is doing exactly what it needs to be doing. So yeah, I recommend this product, honestly. If you want to protect your flooring, this is what you need. And yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. As always, check out my other IKEA related videos if you want, or any other topics for that matter. And see you in the next one. Bye.